Hi guys, it is time to change the cabin air filter in my 2001 Cadillac Deville, and the air filter is in here. Now when I opened it up today, I was kind of surprised to notice it's kind of dirty. I'm like, wow, thing is dirty. Look at all that. I'm like, why is it so dirty? Then I realized it's been like 2 years since I changed this thing. 2 years and about 2 months. So let's change it. So how do you get it out of here? Getting it out is easy. The hard part is getting it back in. All you got to do is just pull it. Put it like this. Get it to come up. Now here's the part that's going to trip you out. You're going to be like, who designed this thing? This is the way it looks. It folds under like that. But as you can see, it's pretty doggone dirty, ain't it? Now you might want to get your vacuum cleaner and go in here and clean that out. Or you can just leave it in there and not worry about it. But let's look at the new air filter. It's gonna look just like that. All right, I got this one from O'Reilly. I think them the same guys who spilled out last time, but if you notice, they're driving a little slower today, even though it's still two of them on the same bike. Okay. Yeah, this looks like it. Looks just like it. It's a lot cleaner, and it's got the same brake in it. So now, who came up with the idea to break the doggone air filter? I can't tell you. But now, this is like $23 at O'Reilly. It feels a lot more better than this one. So all this stuff could be inside your car if you didn't have this air filter. Okay, so oh yeah, I'm supposed to wipe this out, right? Probably work better if I get a vacuum cleaner, but I don't feel like going in the house, so I'm just going to take this rag and wipe in there. There we go. There we go, governor. Y'all tired of me impersonating an English person? Ooh. Also, somebody claimed that you can take out that bracket and put the whole thing in there. I prefer to just put the doggone filter in there. I mean, me. Okay, so your filter is going to break like this. Look like it's broke, but it is broke. But okay, here we go. How we going to do this? You want to put the filter in here, and you want to line it up with that and that. Line it up, and you just kind of like push it. Can't push too much of it. You get one side going, it's already done jammed up already. You have to kind of grab this part and push it in like that. And you get it to go, in as far as it will go. And you're gonna know it because it's not gonna go any further. All right, then Did I put the damn thing in backwards? No. Then you want to fold this under, and it's going to go sorry I can't show it to you, but it's going to fold under and go into a little slot under the bottom here. Now, how will you know when you're in that slot? It's a good damn question, guys. I always catch hell trying to figure it out. All right, when you're done, it's gonna look something like that. So how do I know it's folded under there? Man, I don't know. If it looks something like this, you probably in the right ballpark anyway. But I tell you this, the first time you do it is gonna be hard. The second time you do it is gonna be hard. This is actually the fourth time, because the first time I messed the filter up and I watched the video, and I think it was the video showed me how to do it a little bit better. So I ended up buying another filter, putting it in. And no, actually this is my third time. Yeah, I think this is my third time. But anyway, that's about like what it looks. And I think it's folded in there, I think. Yeah, I think it's folded. So just put the lid in. I still say it's a dumb idea, whoever thought of it. The dumbest idea I ever seen on a cabin filter. The dumbest. But you saw that one, how dirty it was, so I guess it works. Dre, y'all have a good day.